It's Kevin Jardé with Insta Dri Knoxville. I just want to give you guys a heads up on what we're doing in this cellar. Very confident this is going to work out real well. When we did all that, water just kept going out as fast as possible. Even the pipe that was way over here on the other side of the house, it got over there pretty quickly and got the water out. There's just lots of stuff you have to do to get to this point. I just want to give you guys a heads up on what we're doing in this cellar. The cellar was actually built with, they put block on top of the concrete. They didn't have a footer for these walls, and these walls are actually in great shape considering that. I've never seen one actually this good with a 1-inch concrete on it. However, what we're doing now is we're putting this plastic, our 20 mil plastic up on the wall. And how we do this is we put our fresh drain underneath, right there, with a sock on it, and then we put the plastic on top of that, and then we'll pour the concrete on top of this plastic. What that does is any water that comes through this wall at all, especially with it only being a 1-inch slab, all the water's coming in from under hydrostatically, or most of it is, it's going to, whatever it is, it doesn't matter how it decides it wants to come in, it's going to come in the path of least resistance to that pipe, and then from that pipe go into our sump pump, and of course that sump pump is a commercial cast iron sump pump. It'll pump it out very, very fast. We've already tested the unit. We put the pipe in, we wet everything down, we cleaned up everything, and when we did all that, water just kept going out as fast as possible. Even the pipe that was way over here on the other side of the house, it got over there pretty quickly and got the water out. So very confident this is going to work out real well. We have to take the water heater out, and there's just lots of stuff you have to do to get to this point. But we're going to start pouring concrete as soon as we get these walls finished. I'll show you all again once we're done with that. Thank you, Kevin Jardé with InstaDri.